Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In our previous video, we have learned about this transform option like what any column, text column, number column, and in home button how these fields work. Now in this video, we are going to learn if we need to create any custom column or any conditional column. So we will learn this add column feature. So let's try to learn. Let me start. So let's say if I need to create any custom column, so what I will need to do, I can change the name first of instead of calendar, it's sales or something like this, and I can remove these two tables because these are not required. Oh, okay, let's leave as it is. This dummy table, sales. So if I need to create custom column, so let's say I have one profit column and I want to multiply by 2 for my profit column. So what I will do, custom, I can create new profit, I can give new profit, or let's say I want to see if my profit becomes double, then what would be the like the growth, or I can see the insight. So this is just taking a rough example. So what I will do, I have just create name new profit, and then I will find out that profit column here, see profit, and then I want to multiply this to 2. Okay, now I will. So if I remove other columns, so let me go into this one and choose column. If I choose only 2 columns, my new profit and profit, so that would be good visibility for us to check. So see, now my profit becomes double, 687 multiplied 2. Similarly, whatever I need to do, I can do. I can just click here. I can, instead of 2, you can change here as well. In input 3, I can go here and you can. Okay, so custom column. Let's say there would be what you can add 2 columns as well. So let's say let me choose first column. Then what column I can choose? Choose column. Let's remove this first. Remove this one also. Now go to choose column. Let's say profit, sales price, some units. So let's say we are selecting these 4 values. So let's say if I want to basically add profit and sales. So just taking example again, or let's say sales plus sales price. So it's 18421, and if I add it, so let's remove these two as well, so that there would be no confusion. So it would be 18421, 18433, like this first row value. So let me go into the add column and then custom column, sales price was sales. Okay, so see 18433. So similarly, whatever your business requirement, you can create custom column as per the need. Okay, now let's move back into the yeah. Okay, so to create conditional column, let's create one dummy table. So enter data. So let's say I'm giving salary, employee salary, table name, and let's say I'm giving column name as in salary and 20,000, 15,000, 10,000. Now on this, I will create a conditional column. If salary is 20,000, it is good. If 15, it is medium, and if 10,000, it is average. Okay. So this is my salary column. Now what I can do, I can go here on add column and then conditional column. So custom is cell, I can say cell status, something like this. Column name is salary. If it equals to 20,000, then it is good. At close, it is equals to 15,000. Then medium, okay, and then again cell. So you have other operator as well. That is not equal greater than. So as per convenience, you can use as per business name as less than 15,000. So it is low or average. So let's try to okay. So see, I have this good medium low. So like this, you can use conditional column again as per your business name. Moving back into our sales table. Now, if you need to create index column basically you have you want to give so if you learn or if you are from SQL background, so must be aware about Windows function. So it will give you the range from 1 to 3 4 like this. So I have different option. If I choose from 0, so it will start from 0. If I choose option from 1, it will start from 1. Custom, I can give custom range as well. Let's choose from 1. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this, you can use this index column again as per your business need. Now, if I need to create duplicate column, like I want to create another column, uh, another same column segment, so I will just click here, duplicate column. Yeah. Okay. And format we have already learned in the previous lesson. So that's it for this video. Thank you, everyone.